Searching for best log splitters? You are at right place. A log splitter is the best possible solution for you when you're in the need of collecting a lot of wood in less time. Axe apparently isn't the best solution when it comes to the colossal wood collection in less time. Here is the list of top log splitters on Amazon. Number 1. Boss Industrial ES7T20 Log Splitter has been granted Amazon's choice for electric wood splitter thanks to the brilliant surveys and excellent assembling. Number 2. Champion Power Equipment is also one of the highest-rated log splitters present on the web. 25-ton pull power behind it, bigger than most traditional machines. Number 3. When 56207 6.5 ton is the best electric log splitter for the individuals who are searching for standard execution. When log splitter is a serious helpful device for giving enough gracefully. Number 4. FISKARS X27 Super Splitting Axe is an incredible choice on the off chance that you are just cutting a couple of logs for each week, instead of experiencing them consistently. Thanks you for watching video.